One of the largest HIV nonprofits in the Carolinas has expanded services now to the Queen City.
Leaders at RAIN say their new drop-in center is helping an underserved part of the community.
Queen City News reporter Brett Baldock has dropped in here in our studio to explain. Good morning, Brett.
Good morning, Ann, Wyatt, and Jason. Today is the first full day that this new drop-in center will serve the Charlotte community. Leaders at RAIN already have offices and services they provide in Uptown, but they chose the new sub-location along Monroe Road in East Charlotte for very specific reasons. Many may not give this brick home along Monroe Road a second thought, but it's serving an important role in the community. Full panel HIV and STI testing, no appointment needed, and no questions asked.
We don't really have that here in the community, so it's nice to have a central point for resources and testing that they can just come to and you know, that a place that's theirs.
The Drop is a community-based safe space for young men of color. Studies have shown racism, discrimination, and mistrust in the healthcare system may affect whether Black people seek or receive HIV prevention services. Leaders at HIV nonprofit RAIN saw the need in Charlotte. When they got the keys last fall, this building was home to an old hair salon.
I knew we were going to have a lot of work to do. We still do, but it's really full circle seeing it, you know, come into play like this.
What's at play is reaching those in need in East Charlotte.
We want to reach out to other populations who aren't able to make it to our Uptown office, and this is right off the bus route, so it's really accessible to other people.
People entering the Drop will also be offered weekly support groups, a clothing closet, and career building services. An entire support center made possible by the support of people in the Queen City.
There is so much stigma around HIV and men who have sex with men that to see these many people come out to just support like a great event and a ribbon cutting is huge.
Now, the Drop had their official ribbon cutting last night. Grants helped RAIN purchase the building, and leaders aren't done yet. Renovations are ongoing, and the hope is to add a shower room and more lounge spaces for those who visit the center.
This is a really great facility. How great is the need in that part of town?
Yeah, so that part of Monroe Road, when we drove out there to shoot the story, is growing very quickly. There's an entire new neighborhood, the Oakhurst community, with all these townhomes that's being built. So it's in a really great area that's growing quickly, and also, as you mentioned, it's rated along a bus route, so people can easily get there, and they haven't been in the East Charlotte area up until now, so it's great that they're expanding out there.